Now, it says the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommendation that pregnant women be vaccinated for COVID was based on a yet-to-be peer-reviewed paper. Don't let that irony overwhelm you. Like, oh, that's a preprint. That's not peer-reviewed. And they'll just disregard everything we point to. But here we are using that entire concept to float the idea that pregnant women should be injected with this thing. And it was on data from the government-run VSafe system that, guess what? The public can't have access to, therefore verify. This just gets more ridiculous by the day. And it gets worse, by the way. None of the 3 manufacturers of the COVID vaccines being administered in the U.S., Pfizer, Moderna, or J&J, completed clinical trials on pregnant women as part of their emergency use authorization applications for the FDA. Just let that sink in right out of the gate. I've told you that already. Didn't do it. But we were telling you can take it now, right? Because if you did these rapid, quick ones in the middle of this process, even though people were already being injected with this from the beginning. Pregnant women. Now, it says in its application to the FDA for approval, which was granted Monday, Pfizer said its available data on its vaccine was insufficient to inform vaccine-associated risks in pregnancy. We just read that to you. That's on the approval document. The approval, not even the emergency authorization, which is even worse. This is the approval document. And it clearly states the information they have is insufficient to inform vaccine-associated risks. How is that possible? How is it possible they can say that and then they can say, but get it though?